everybody, this is Kaelee here. Today we're going to be using this rainbow brushstroke leopard print vinyl from Counterculture. They have a whole awesome selection of vinyl you can choose from, so if you have not checked that out, I recommend you definitely seeing what they have. I'm going in with this sublimation tumbler that I messed up on, and we're going to do a full wrap on this bad boy. So let's get started. You need a tumbler. I'm using a sublimation tumbler that I messed up on, and I'm using a paper cutter, and then I have the vinyl from Counterculture. So I like to get the most out of each piece of vinyl. I will wrap some pens in it, do some cups. So what I like to do is measure out my vinyl for a tumbler wrap, and so I measure mine, and mine is 8 inches long by 9.2 inches around. So we're going to get that all measured up and cut, and then once we have that all done, we will wrap the entire tumbler. So I like to save these extra pieces of vinyl. You can do another tumbler wrap with that, do a partial wrap. You can save that for some pens. There are so many different things you can do with vinyl, so I definitely recommend not throwing out any scraps. So now we have the perfect size for our tumbler. We are going to get ready to apply that. And here's another scrap piece. Again, I would not get rid of it. There are so many different possibilities for what you can do with this. It looks like a small piece, but you can get a couple more items completely made with that, whether it's keychains, pens, whatever you'd like. So what I like to do is check to see where the vinyl is going to line up. And then what I like to do is I'm doing the hinge method. So I'm going to pull back a piece of that vinyl, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut off a little piece of the backing. That way we can line this up on our tumbler, and we will have an easy application process with this. So again, I'm just lining this up again now that I have that backing cut off. And once I have it in place where I want it, we will actually start to take the backing off. And this is where it's called the hinge method, because it's going to look like you're taking the vinyl off the backing, just like a hinge. So I'm just kind of lining it up, getting it into place. Sometimes you may need to readjust and try again. I've had that happen a couple times, so here I am just fixing it up. And now we're ready to start taking off that backing. So you'll see you can go in with like a little squeegee. If I do that, I like to have one with a felt backing. You can just use your fingers, or you can see what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with a ruler. And I really love this because it covers the entire area that we are going to be placing the vinyl on. So it just makes for a smoother application, in my opinion. So you can see we're just going right around. It's coming right off that backing, nice and smooth. And you'll be able to see how it lines up right after we get to the end here. So we got that backing off, and look how perfectly it all lined up. If you try this out, make sure you comment down below, let us know. We would love to hear what you have done with Counterculture vinyl. You can post it in the Counterculture DIY Artist Support group. It is a really awesome place to go to see what people have done with their Counterculture products. And yeah, so if you wrap a tumbler, make sure you let us see it. And I hope this helps you, and I hope that you learned a little bit on how to apply your vinyl. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.